Good morning, children. So today our topic is about factors. Lesson 6, multiples and factors. The topic is factors. So first of all, we are going to discuss what is a factor. So see here, we are multiply when we multiply any two numbers. So here I am taking 2 and 3. 2 into 3. 2 3 is a how much? 6. So we are multiplying two numbers and the product is 6. So these two numbers are called as factors. The numbers which we multiply are called as factors, and the product which is obtained from these two numbers is called as multiple. Okay, when we multiply any two numbers, we'll get a product. So the multiplying two numbers are called as factors and the product obtained is called as multiple. Okay, understood? For suppose 4 into 3. 4 3 is a 12. So we are multiplying these two numbers. These two numbers are called as factors and this is called as multiple. Okay, the numbers which we multiply are called as factors and the product obtained is called as multiple. Now let us discuss about the properties of factors. So what is the first property? Let us see. 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. For every multiple, the factor will always be 1. See, for the multiple 3, we are having factors 1. 3 ones are 3. So here 1 and 3 are the factors and 3 is the multiple. 4 ones are 4. 5 ones are 5. Any number can be multiplied by 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. Second one, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. See here, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5. Here every number, see here, factors will always be 1 and the number itself. Here multiple is 3 and the factor is also 3. So every number is a factor of itself. Okay, here 3, 4, 5 is given. For that, suppose if we take 43, 43 ones are 43. So 43 is a factor of 43. So every number has a factor of 1 and every number has a factor of itself. Okay, let us see the third one. The third one is the factor of a number is less than or equal to the number itself. So see here, so factors which we have will always be less than or equal to the multiple but not greater than the multiple. For example, see here, 2 into 3 equal to 6. Here factors are 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So 2 and 3 are less than 6. So always then the factors will always be less than or equal to 6 to multiple. Okay. For suppose 4 3 is a 12. So 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. So these two are smaller than 12. For suppose 7 ones are 7. 1 and 7 are factors of 7. So see here, 1 and 7 are factors of 7. So here the factors can be 1 and the number itself, and this number is equal to 7. So always the factors will be less than or equal to the multiple. For suppose 73 ones are 73. See here also the factors are equal to 73. Okay, next 36. Here see, 12 and 3 are the factors of 36. So 12 and 3 are less than 36. So always the factors are less than the multiples. Next, fourth one. Numbers with only two factors are called as prime numbers. So see here, for 7, what are the factors? Let us see now. For 7, what are the factors? So which numbers when we multiply we will get 7? Let us see now. 1 7 is a 7. Can we get any number other than 7? Sorry, can we multiply any number, any two numbers to get 7? No, only 1 7 is a 7. 3, how can we multiply? 1 3 is a 3. 12, how can we write it? 4 3 is a 12. 2 6 is a 12. Okay, 2 6 2 is a 12. So next 3 4 is a 12. Next 12 1 is a 12. 1 12 is a 12. So in these many ways we can write the factors of 12. So here which are the factors of 12? 1 2 3 4, 6 and 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. See here. These are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. Okay. So here for 7, what are the factors? 1 and 7. So this number has only 2 factors. This number having only 2 factors. So these 2 factors are the prime factors. When a number has only 2 factors, those numbers are called as prime factors. If a number has only 2 factors, those numbers are called as prime factors. If a number has more than 2 factors, those numbers are called as composite numbers. Okay. So here see. This number is having only 2 factors. This is called as prime factor. Prime factor. This number is having more than 2 factors. This is called as composite factors. Okay. Again, 23, how can we write as 23? 1, 23 is a 23, 23 ones are 23. Which are the factors of 23? 1 and 23 are the factors. So these are called as prime numbers. Prime numbers. Next, 55. How can we write 55? 1 into 55. 155 is a 55. Next, 11 5s are 55. Which are the factors? 1, 5, 11, 55 are the factors of 55. These are having only 2 numbers, so this is called as prime number. This number is having more than 2 factors, so this is called as composite number. Okay, these are called as composite number. So after watching the video, please read all the factors of all the properties of factors. Okay, thank you.